Is that bad, mate? Is that annoying? Has that ruined the day?
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Sorry, mate. I'll let's watch through here. Hello! Yeah, it's gonna look so good, guys. I just know it. We got some more coats, but... Oh! Good morning, everybody. Now, I say the cheap MX5, but every time I say that, I feel like I'm letting it down because I looked through the paperwork on this car the other day because I was actually putting an advert up for it. Anyway, but I looked through the paperwork as video the other day. There's so much shit to it. I actually made like a little website page of like an advert for this car, you know, everything that's had done to it and everything. It's fucking clean, mate. So today, I was like, I don't want to sell this car with this terrible matte black. How bad is it, mate? It's pretty bad, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite bad.
It's quite bad. So we don't want to sell it like that, especially it doesn't do it justice. We had a nice message from Kuba on Instagram the other day, and he was like, the MX5 you've got, we can paint it. And I'm like, all right, well, Rattle Can is like, well, no, here we are in a booth. So today we're going to be painting the MX5. I've never done this, I'm going to be learning a lot of things. I think Kuba underestimated how much sanding was going to be needed from the amazing pictures that my Canon provided. It's going to need a lot of sanding, but we're going to be painting it a colour. I'm not going to tell you just yet because we want to rinse them minutes, you know. But today we're going to be painting properly the MX5. So Kuba is actually going to be painting the S13. So he does a lot of private work. So I put his Instagram up there. Mainly does like private work for like drift cars and stuff on weekends because they've got access to like another unit. And if you have like a car which you just want painted like drift cars and stuff, give him a message on Instagram because he'll sort you out a good deal.
We're going to use a 320.
Well, 320 going to start?
Yeah, we're going to use that to start with. Just sand the whole car.
Yeah.
I use some of the Scotch Guard. To do all the like edges, and then pretty much that'll be enough to use underneath a sealer.
Okay.
So we're going to seal the whole car with a wet primer, and then just start basting it out straight over. Yeah. Don't have to do no sanding after that. Right. Just the sealer and
sealer and sand. Sealer and sand. Why does every time I work on a car I cut my hand? I'm not even done anything and my hand's cut already. Honestly, is that bad, mate? Is that annoying? Has that ruined the day?
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Sorry, mate.
So it's all like very uneven.
Right.
So we need to just try getting it as even as we can. So it's not gonna look wavy once we paint it.
Right. So we're cracking on. The most annoying thing is that when you're on the black, it's like messing up the sandpaper, isn't it? It's like really rubbery paint. So like if I can show you some here on the camera, like you see all the black spots, you can actually see like that's all like the shit black rattle can, and it's just ruining the sandpaper pads. So we're just going through so many pads, and it's like you do about 10 seconds, and it's just like shit. It's just not sanding it again. And I didn't know that until like 10 minutes ago, so I'm like, why the fuck is he doing half the car? And I'm sat on this one patch. But that's why. Right, say that again, mate. There's 8 layers of paint on this car.
Yeah, about 8.
There's 8 layers of paint. So you've got the black, which we're taking off. Then is that a filler primer. And then what's that one?
Just looks like another primer, like an edge primer or something.
Right, and then green, and then...
Yeah, like an original base coat for the car, then another primer, then a base coat again, then you can see there's another base coat, and then another base coat and a primer.
We're getting there, aren't we, mate?
Yep.
We've gone over most of it with like a 240, and now we're going to go back over it again with a 320.
Yeah, we'll do 320 over it, and then just do the edges, make sure everything's sort of smoothish.
Yeah, smoothing it all out.
As much as we can do. Obviously, it might be a little bit wobbly in some sorts of places because of so many layers of paint. Yeah. But yeah, we'll try to get it all as good as we can.
Yeah, we don't want to be spending like a week doing it and spending thousands doing it at the end of the day. So we're gonna get the best job we can do today. Yeah. Alright, update. It's hard fucking work. Look at the car. How close are we to painting, mate? How close are we to painting?
How long?
Yeah.
I don't know, probably an hour.
An hour?
Maybe an hour and a half.
Still?
A little bit more, because I haven't done that yet.
Yeah.
So that needs to get sanded. And then we've got a few little edges still to do.
Yeah.
And then we can probably start blowing it off, cleaning the floor.
Yeah.
Just making the area nice and tidy.
Oh yeah.
Cleaning all the door shuts and everything.
Great. Great. It's hard work, isn't it, mate?
Yeah,
it's hard work. It's not gonna lie. You know, a little office bitch like me, it's hard work. Cooper's getting a little bit OCD now. He's
a
little bit OCD. His professionalism is coming in. I'm saying, let's fucking paint it, and he's there with a 320 grit on his hand. We've gone through about 6,000 pads. My pants are ruined. My soul's ruined. But what's the next plan, mate? What's the next step? Sorry.
We're gonna start blowing it off now.
Yeah.
Just gonna blow it off. Blow it off from all the shuts because there's probably a lot of dust everywhere, as you can see.
Yeah.
So we'll blow it off, start wiping it down. Then we're gonna check over it again, make sure we didn't miss anything. And then just start masking it off, probably if everything's fine.
Has this been like a difficult one or an alright one?
It's definitely not an easy one.
No.
Definitely not an easy one.
Is it because just so many layers of paint?
Yeah, because it's been done before, obviously not by a professional body shop or anything, probably someone just done it DIY.
Right, so we've just gone through and like cleaned all the shuts and down all the sides and underneath the bonnet and by the side of the wings, just cleaned all there just so all the shit doesn't fucking fly onto the paint. After this, the masking, good, we're going to paint.
Yeah, we're just getting it all masked.
Clean up.
Yeah, we're going to clean it probably twice just to make sure it's nice and clean.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we're just going to start mixing the paint up, getting the wet and wet ready, put the wet and wet on it, and then probably wait about 10 minutes for it to dry and then yeah, start basting out.
Oh, can't wait. Right, so we're masked up and the extractors are on. It's getting really hot in here. Oh, Henry's going a bit insane. We're going to be putting on the I don't know what it's called. It's like a sealant and primer, and I think we're going to do a couple layers of that. Just to, I think that's quite thick, so we're just going to try to fill in all the imperfections on the car. So we've got it as flat as possible, but Kuba thinks there'll be some sort of. I mean, he's like felt some things like that look like it's a dent. He's like, see how flat that? You know, it's not flat, and I'm like, seems pretty flat to me, mate. But he can see it, I can't. So he thinks that they're going to do a thick layer of sealant and primer, and that will cover in all little imperfections, hopefully. Well, we'll see. Wheels are up, wheels are up. This is just like a final solvent cleaner. Yeah, so you take all the grease off.
Yeah, that's it.
The final clean. Here he is. Good luck in there, soldier. I feel like I'm watching K19. Have you seen that film? You need to watch it, mate. Anyone else seen K19? Great film. I'll let's watch through here. Hello! I don't know what he's doing, guys. He's doing something. Last clean. He's not painting yet. Oh, he is spraying something. What's he spraying? It's like a clear sealant primer thing? I don't know what is it? Okay, so I just asked him. He wasn't spraying anything. He was just blowing air out the gun to just final clean it off. And now he's about to start spraying and laying. Oh, here he comes. Here he is. First layer of paint. Oh, we can't see. There he is. Is it grey or what is it? Oh yeah, it's a grey. You just can't see from this angle. Look at that technique. Yeah, buddy. Send it, my guy. Oh yeah, it's gonna look so good, guys. I just know it. I just know it. Oh yes, this one colour. Well, almost. So here is the colour we're going, Montego Blue, OEM code M8. This is the original paint for the car. Excited to see, and we're going to go super glossy.
Obviously that's just
probably going to look boring, yeah. Oh, there she is. Can't see on camera, just looks black on camera, but it's quite. Oh, it's quite glistery, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got quite a lot of metallic.
Yeah, quite metallic. Oh wow, it's going to look great, isn't it? I can't. Oh, kind of. It's really metallic, isn't it? Right, so the base coat is going on now. The blue. There it goes. There goes the blue. Wow, it's like really like corally. It looks darker on camera. It's actually quite light in person. It's actually a really nice colour. The camera is really not picking it up. When I look in with my eyes, it looks really cool. It looks like an aqua blue. Wow. So it has totally changed colour. How many coats have you done now? Like 3 or 4?
Yeah, there's 4 coats now.
4 coats on there. Because the primer was quite light. That's it? The primer is quite light, so you need. So that paint isn't very. What was you saying before? It's
quite transparent.
It's quite a transparent paint, so you need a lot of coats. But it's totally changed colour now. Like it didn't look anything like the first blue, does it? But I'm not showing you guys. I want to just now show you what it looks like at the end with all the lacquer on everything. So I've just found this lovely little radiator and I'm just hibernating. I'm on bake at the minute. It's a paint reference. Never mind. Oh mate, we got some more coats, but just a quick little preview. The camera doesn't show it up at all. So she's baking in there, and oh my god, is it so nice and warm. Woo. I want to stay in here, but I shouldn't because I can't fucking breathe.
Now it's going to be nice and warm.
Yeah, so it's finished the bake. We're going to come through here. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it looks so good. Look how green it looks. Like an emerald green, isn't it? Wow. So Kuba likes the wings the best.
Yeah,
he's a bit annoyed at a few things, but I've gave him a day and a very limited budget, so I think it looks the bollocks, mate.
Yeah, it's just because both of the wings been changed before.
Yeah, so they're brand new wings.
Yeah, brand new wings.
Brand new wings, and with not shit bodywork like the rest of the car.
Yeah, the rest of the car's pretty bad.
But I think it looks sick. Look how glossy it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. So what's the plan now, mate?
Yeah, we're just going to demask it and put the lights back on.
Put the lights back on.
The plates. And it's done.
Right, final touches, front plate is going on. Then we're going to drive it home. And I'm absolutely dying for a kebab. It's dark outside, so I can't show you what it looks like outside. But for now, I think we're tired and hungry, mate, aren't we?